makes a nation a nation? A flag? An army? A parliament with democratic elections? And peaceful transfers of power? Or a proven track record of peace and stability? If that is the case, then Somaliland is a nation. And yet, this is a nation that does not officially exist. You won't find it in official maps. It does not have a seat at the United Nations, even though governments all over the world cooperate with it. This is the story of how Somaliland gained its freedom from British rule in 1960 by mutual agreement, and then gave up that independence to join a union with Somalia.
Since the union, we felt that we were deceived.
It was a failed union, which led to persecution and attempted genocide of Somaliland's people, and a savage war in which Somaliland once again had to gain its freedom.